Hello, welcome to my vlog.
Today is minus 34 in Saskatoon. It's very cold right here. Today I came to pump the fuel to my car.
This is my car. We have to do it in ourselves. First of all, we have to open right here to pump the gas first. Today gas price is $1.07. We have to wait until 0 the liters, and we have to take this one out and put it into our vehicle. Within few minutes everything done, and we have to go to the convenience store and pay our bill, and that's everything. And thank you for watching my video. Have a great day.